Hello and welcome, students. I am Professor McDonald, and I am so excited to help you through your journey of learning statistics. Oh, yeah. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the Blackboard Collaborate virtual classroom. We'll be meeting Monday through Thursday from 8 to 9:45 a.m. You do not have to attend the full sessions, but you do need to check in with me for the first 15 minutes so that I know you're still alive and active, and I can take attendance. I can give out any announcements, and you can ask any questions you have. I have here a statement about the fact that this is 16 weeks of content that we're trying to learn in 6 weeks. So it's going to be pretty heavy duty, and it's all about mindset. You can handle it, but you have to have it in mind that you've got an hour and 45 minutes worth of learning the content, just being introduced to topics and trying to read the book and understand and watch the videos. And then you need to actually digest that information and put it into practice. So you're going to need several hours a day to be able to keep up with this course. So maybe you need to move a few things around. I just want you to be able to enjoy the learning process and not be totally stressed. And I'm here to help you with any questions or concerns you may have. Make sure you email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Let's take a look at some of the things that are here in our Blackboard course. We have the syllabus, which you really need to read because that's the contract between you and me for the what's expected of me and what's expected of you, and how you'll be assessed. You have 400 points module tests, 100 points for the cumulative final exam, 140 points for the OHM guided learning assignments. And OHM is similar to my math lab if you've ever been in a course where you used that. This is a similar type of thing, but much more affordable. It's only $25 for the book and the ebook, that is, and the access to the assignments. Then you have 60 points for participation. And the way that I work that is each lesson has certain participation assignments associated with it. And every week, I'm going to look at everything that had been due that week and give you an overall score. All right, and I'll let you read the rest of that so it doesn't take up too much time in our video. And here's the agenda, which shows the pacing. As you can see, the first day of class, you are assigned to work on the orientation learning module. Then the very next morning, it's due before class. And CP stands for class participation. GLA stands for guided learning assignment. Then we have questions during class time regarding lesson O. Then you'll be assigned to work on lesson 1 learning module, and those assignments due the next day before class, and then any questions you have remaining, and the cycle continues until we have our tests that are scheduled out as shown here, and our final exam, which is on the last day of class at our normal class time for 2 hours. The other tests, you'll have 75 minutes to take your tests, and that means that we can meet before taking the test and have a few minutes to answer any last minute concerns or questions. Then we have the Collaborate Ultra Remote Classroom Meetings link down at the bottom. You'll click to enter the virtual classroom. And here you'll find the course room, which is always open and available. You can even meet with each other there, other students. You can arrange study groups of sorts. And there's the class meetings that are scheduled and recurring here. If you miss a session and you want to view the recording, you'll go to that little link there and then click recordings. And it typically takes about half a day or so for the recordings to be available here. Then we have the lessons page, which is where all your content is, and you can see what's available so far is the orientation learning module and the test 1 learning module. You'll see more modules popping up as we get closer to test 1. Let's take a look at what's in each of these modules, but we'll do that in a separate lesson because we don't want this to get too long. So I'll see you in the next one.